It's crazy how I have built a genuine community from my YouTube channel, and right now I have over 7,400 subscribers and over 1 million hours of watch time, and still growing. When I first started this channel, I never even thought that I'd reach 100 subscribers. But because I think you and I connected in some ways.
Hi there Ninja! Welcome back once again to my channel. My name is Rhea and you're still watching Call Center Ninja. Hi there Ninja! Welcome back to my channel.
Our little ninja community is growing faster than ever. But I have to admit that I also experience bad days when I'm not really sure where this is all heading. But in my mind, I just thought that as long as I get to help even just one of you, then I'll be fine with that. I'm going to continue what I'm doing here as long as I can and to continue to provide value to you. So as long as you are here, then I am here. Someone asked why I have so much time to reply to comments and messages. In truth, I have so many things on my plate. But because you took the time to comment and watch my videos, I'm also making time for you, so the best way I can do that is to respond to your comments and answer your questions. It is also my way of appreciating you for your support. I love reading all your comments and messages. I feel so overwhelmed whenever you say that my videos help or that you got hired because of me. But really, it's because of you and your hard work. Still, I'm blessed enough to be able to share what I know. Every day, I get messages of joy, excitement, sorrow, disappointment, rejection, and a variety of emotions, which is why I made this video. To tell you that whichever part of your call center journey or career you're in right now, just keep going. You may not have been hired yet today, but remember that there's always a second chance, and a third, and so on. Never lose hope if you feel like you did not do good in your mock calls or that you suck as a beginner, or maybe that you're failing your metrics. Maybe you are disappointed because you can't speak English well, or you feel like nothing's working in your favor. Don't fret. Remember, failure is just a chance to try harder. In fact, don't even think of it as failure. Think of it as a learning experience. Don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself some time to learn and grow. As a brand new month comes in, I want to challenge you to make an effort to commit and take action. Don't just sit and watch. Do something to keep improving yourself, to be a better you. And I'm sure that you will also win in life. So, go get it and keep moving. I'm always here for you. Allow me to share something from one of my favorite websites, markandangel.com. It says, "Stop waiting. If you wait for the right time, if you wait until you feel 100% ready, you will be waiting the rest of your life." Seriously, too many people wait too long to live their best lives. They wait all day for 5 p.m., all week for Friday, all year for the holidays, all their lives for passion and happiness. Don't be one of them. You don't need to have it all figured out to take the next step. But you do need to take the next step to figure it out. And as you struggle forward, remember, it is far better to be exhausted from lots of passionate effort and learning than to be tired of waiting around doing absolutely nothing. So start now and take action.